Welcome to 125 Connemara Way, Unit 53, nestled along a serene greenbelt in a sought-after community. This towering two-story townhome is ideally located near top-rated Cupertino schools, the Anza Square, and Homestead Crossing Shopping Center, major tech companies, and offers easy access to Highway 85 and 280, as well as downtown Sunnyvale with its Caltrain connection. Step inside to a sun-filled floor plan featuring glowing laminate floors, recessed lighting, and dual-pane windows that fill the home with natural light. Sliding by the dining area, we have a gorgeous kitchen showcasing stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and a vast cabinetry. Just beyond the kitchen, a large back patio offers the perfect spot to relax and is also connected to the parking space. Upstairs, we have a full bathroom and 2 spacious bedrooms, each featuring double closet with custom organizers, while the primary bedroom also offers an elongated balcony overlooking the greenbelt. And lastly, enjoying access to a serene community pool and clubhouse. That brings the tour to an end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay up to date with all of RENNAshee's latest and greatest homes, and we hope to see you at this weekend open house.